Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class Maths chapter number 12, Factorization. Exercise 12.3 in the third bit. In last video I explained second bit in exercise 12.3 how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So today I am going to explain about third bit. Work out the following divisions. In that first problem is 49x minus 63 divided by 7. So solution for this problem is 49x minus 63 divided by 7 equal to, in these two terms we can take out common 7. Then we get 7x minus 9. 7 sevens are 49, 7 nines are 63 divided by 7. So in numerator and denominator we can cancel 7. Then we get 7x minus 9. So this is our final solution for first problem. Next second problem is 12x into 8x minus 20 divided by 4 into 2x minus 5. Solution for this problem is 12x into 8x minus 20 by 4 into 2x minus 5. So in this problem, if we take 4 common from these two terms, then we get 2x minus 5. Let's see, 12x into 4 common from these two terms, then we get 2x minus 5. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 divided by 4 into 2x minus 5. So in numerator and denominator we have 4 into 2x minus 5, 4 into 2x minus 5. So we can cancel these two terms in both numerator and denominator. Then we get 12x. This is our final solution for second problem. Next problem is third one, 11a cube b cube into 7c minus 35 divided by 3a square b square into c minus 5. Solution for this problem is 11a cube b cube 7c minus 35 divided by 3a square b square c minus 5. If we take 7 common from these two terms, then we get c minus 5. Let's see. 11a cube b cube into 7. We can take 7 common, then we get c minus 5. 7 into c, 7c, 7 5s are 35 divided by 3a square b square c minus 5. We can cancel c minus 5 in both numerator and denominator. Here a square, b square, b square. Then we have here a, b. Then we have 11 into 7, 77 ab divided by, in denominator we have 3. So we can write it as 77 by 3 ab. So this is our final solution for third problem. Next fourth problem, 54 lmn into l plus m into m plus n into n plus l divided by 8 lmn into l plus m into n plus l. Let's see solution for this problem. 54 lmn into l plus m into m plus n into n plus l divided by 8 lmn into l plus m into n plus l. So we can easily cancel in numerator and denominator terms. Here lmn cancel, l plus m cancel, n plus l cancel. Then what is the remainder? 84 in numerator m plus n divided by, in denominator 8 only we have. So in table 2 we can cancel 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 7 is 14. That's it. So the solution for fourth problem is 27 by 4 into m plus n. So this is our final solution for fourth problem. Next problem, fifth one, 36 into x plus 4 into x square plus 7x plus 10 divided by 9 into x plus 4. Let's see solution for this problem is 36 into x plus 4 into x square plus 7x plus 10 divided by 9 into x plus 4. So here we can easily cancel x plus 4 in numerator and denominator. 9 ones are 9, 4s are 36. So then we have only x square plus 7x plus 10. This is our final solution for fifth problem. Next, sixth problem, a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3 divided by a into a plus 3. Let's see solution for this problem. A into a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3 divided by a into a plus 3. So here we can easily cancel a plus 3 in both numerator and denominator. Then we get a plus 1 into a plus 2. So this is our final solution for sixth problem. If you like, try these two problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.